This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by laying down simple shapes so proportions stay consistent. Draw a circle for the head, an oval for the torso, and use a center line to place the face. This helps you align features later. Once done, add a light eye line and mark the jaw and chin to shape Elsa's delicate face. Sketch limbs as thin lines and block the hands and feet. These fast decisions let you correct balance early and avoid major erasing later. Now you refine the face and build Elsa's iconic hair. Place the eyes on the eye line with slightly tilted outer corners to get her gentle expression, then add a small nose and a soft smile. These choices create likeness. For the braid, start at the crown and draw large overlapping segments that taper as they descend, giving volume without tiny details. Make sure to keep strokes loose so you can adjust the shape and flow. This keeps the hair feeling natural and dynamic. Finish by drawing Elsa's dress and final details. The bodice is fitted with an off-shoulder neckline and a flowing cape that follows the S-curve you set earlier. Once you outline seams and simple snowflake motifs, erase construction lines and add light shading to suggest form. Then trace final lines with a darker pencil or pen to make the drawing read clearly. If proportions seem off, compare head to torso size and braid placement. Tweak those two areas first to correct most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.